Tired of high interest rates stopping you from tackling that home improvement project? Let's break down how to use Affirm at Home Depot and get those projects started. First, head over to homedepot.com and find everything you need for your project. Add those must-have items to your online shopping cart. Once you're happy with your selection, click that checkout button to start the payment process. On the payment screen, you will see a section for payment options. Scroll down and look for Affirm. Select Affirm as your payment method. You'll then be directed to Affirm to pre-qualify for your loan. Fill out the required information, which typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This lets Affirm determine your eligibility. Affirm will then show you various loan options with different payment plans and interest rates. Choose the plan that best fits your budget. After selecting your plan and agreeing to the terms, you'll get a confirmation from Affirm. It's important to read the terms carefully before accepting. You will be redirected back to Home Depot to finalize your order. You're all set. Now you can get started on your home improvement project.